Danke. Isaac is having blueberries, wild blueberries. Look. With coconut yogurt and coconut flour and hemp seeds, almond butter, cinnamon and vanilla. What are you doing?
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Isaac? Schlafi? Isaac, Schlafi? 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 Ja, Schlafi? Are you in position? Yeah, Mama's coming. Natto. Natto dance? Natto dance? You stuff your face.
In the vibe, it's feeling stronger with small turn to a friendship, turn to a bond, and that bond will never be broken, the love will never get lost.
You're such a troublemaker! You're such a troublemaker! Troublemaker! What is that, mister? Mama folded everything! And you? And you?
Kassa.
The mister's eating Mama's pancake scrambles. And he likes it. Mmm.
Yum, huh?
Yum yum, stuff your face.
Yum.
Oh, and he's wearing the bib.
Yeah.
Because usually we bought these new ones and he usually would complain. He wouldn't want to wear them. But today you're wearing it without complaining. ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa?
Yeah, one more. Mama.
Let's make some banana bread. Up, up, up. Up, up, up. Banana. Hier rein. Up, up, up. In it goes the banana. Mama? Are you eating already again, huh? Up, up, rein. Schmeiß. Are you gonna put it in there? Throw it in? Yeah? Bravo. Open. 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 Up. Can you put it in there? And now we mash. Mix and mash. Mash, mash, mash. Mash, mash, mash. And we eat. And now we mash. Mash, mash, mash. Mash, mash. You mashed? You mashing? Mash, mash, mash. Stop eating. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Mash, mash, mash. Almond butter. Mash, mash, mash. Isaac. Mash. Baking with an 18-month-old is a little bit exhausting. Isaac prefers to eat instead of help, as you can see. He's just eating. Mix. Mix. Are you mixing or are you eating? Mix. Mix. Yeah, exactly. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, Isaac. Not just eating. Isaac, if you're just eating, then you cannot help me. Yeah, it's sad. I know. Blueberries. Pick some blueberries. Gonna add some lemon. Some applesauce. Coconut milk. Isaac has decided that today's the day where he's eating salad now. We are so weird. He has to hold on to him. That's it, huh? That was the salad.
Not too much, huh? Kiss. A kiss for the camera.
Oh. Thank you. I. Kicking me at the same time. What's for Mama? Thank you. That's very nice of you. Natto. Uncle?
Kan du do it?
It's Christmas for IG. He had the bowl almost full of turmeric sauerkraut and he is going in. Now, Mr. Is your favorite
With
food, huh? Yeah. Yum, yum, yum.
Yum, 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 yum.
Yum, yum, yum,